Now, internet-first, direct-to-consumer luggage and travel accessory startup Icon has secured $1.2 million in a seed funding round, which is led by DSG Consumer Partners with participation by a host of other angel investors. Now, Icon, which caters to the mass premium segment, will use this capital to augment its existing product line, expand the team, and strengthen its distribution network. So joining us now to tell us more about the company and this funding is Mohammed Patel, the CEO of Icon, and also with me is my colleague Arundhati. Mr. Patel, thank you very much for your time here on CNBC-TV18. If you could start by telling us about why you decided to launch another travel accessory and luggage company with multiple brands already competing in the space, because this is also a product that typically will have limited repeat purchase value as well. What are the gaps that you identified in the market?
Yeah, thank you so much for having us. So we decided to start Icon, the luggage and travel accessories brand. This is such a category that no major innovation, upgrade, or change has been done by the incumbent or legacy brands since decades. You'll see pretty much the same black and blue generic looking luggage and backpacks whenever you go to any airport in India. So now we feel that the time has came where the luggage and backpacks will evolve beyond just a functional ability. It will soon become one's personal style statement and statement of the identity and taste. It is more and more becoming a fashion accessories. So that's why we decided to launch another brand in luggage and travel accessories categories to bridge that gap and serve the consumer who deserves that.
All right. Hi, Mr. Patel. Arundhati here. So, tell us about this $1.2 million of seed fund.
And this 1.2 million seed fund will be used to ramp up our existing product line and expand our team. And majority of it will go to do a unique marketing campaigns and strengthen the distribution network.
Okay, we got that, but given again, coming back to the fact that it is a competitive market, Mr. Patel, give us a sense of your cost and unit economics. How much of the spend are you, how much of your total spends are on marketing alone, for instance? What sort of contribution margins you're seeing in the space and the revenue and profit that you're clocking? So a picture of your financials.
December, so it's initial days for us for the unit economics. But we, out of this fund, we have decided around 65% for the marketing to ramp up.
All right. So we seem to have lost Mr. Patel there. We're trying to reconnect him at this point. So Icon has raised $1.2 million, and it's led by DSG Consumer Partners. Mr. Patel's back with us. Mr. Patel, as you were saying?
Yes. So this funding will be majorly used in the marketing and expanding the product line. And so this is so much competitive market, but you see uniqueness in the luggage is still missing. So we are trying to get that via introducing our broader handle luggage in India. And we are trying to launch more and more fashionable products like vintage suitcases into the market.
Right. Speaking about that, the Indian tours and travel industry is expected to grow by 12 to 15% this fiscal. And the Indian luggage market is estimated to be around 20,000 crore rupees. So how large is this opportunity for you in this young mass premium players like you?
So as per the recent industry reports, the current 20,000 crore industry size is expected to grow by 14% per annum for the next 3 years. And after that, it will still grow at 11% per annum. And if you see, as per today's market, out of those 20,000 crore, around half of that is still unbranded. So we are trying to capture the unbranded space. And also out of those 20,000 crore, 35% of the space is for mass premium market. So we are trying to convert the unbranded consumer to branded one on the mass premium segment.
Okay, so 25% of the 50% of the total market
Yeah.
that is unbranded is your target. But, this is not really your first rodeo. You've had MyFitness, your previous venture that was acquired by Mensa Brands earlier. The lessons from that you're going to bring to Icon in the longer term, what your plan would be. Are you also looking to sell this company, or would you want to scale it to a point?
So, based on our previous experience with MyFitness, we have tried and tested many different things in operations, marketing, and in product launch. So, based on those learning, our longer plan in Icon is to start online only. With once we reach good penetration in online, we'll start company-owned exclusive brand outlets in high streets of major metro cities. And after that, we are planning for a retail distribution network.
Okay, so you preempted my next question. That was what I was going to come to. While you're an internet-first brand, you are considering a retail presence. How soon will we see you on that front? Because omni-channel is the way to go, is the route to go right now.
Yeah, omni-channel is inevitable. You have to go where the consumer is. If the consumer is on the mobile, you have to be on the mobile. If the consumer is on the TV, you have to be on TV. If the consumer is shopping in the street, you have to be on the street. Omni-channel is must for every brand.
All right, Mr. Patel. But how soon will we see your first retail shop?
Hopefully, starting 2025.
All right, starting 2025. All right, Mr. Patel, thank you so much for joining us on the show today, and we wish you all the best with this venture going forward.
Thank you. Thank you so much.